The physical fitness test. Stork balance stand test. Used to assess the ability to stay balanced. Balance is the state of equilibrium, being stable or steady while moving or at still. For the tester, remove the shoes. Place hands on the hips. Position the right foot on the side of the knee of the other. Raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Do the same procedure with the opposite foot. For the partner, start the time as the heel of the tester is raised off the floor. Stop the time if any of the following occur. The hands comes off the hips. The supporting foot swivels or moves or hops in any direction. The non-supporting foot loses contact with the knee. The heel of the supporting foot touches the floor. There shall be 3. Record the time taken on both feet in seconds and get the average percentage score. Refer to the table for interpretation.